Introducing the Mission Boat Gear CASSI Tote, your ultimate outdoor gear savior. Marine-grade coated mesh, think of it as armor for your beach adventure. Waterproof bottom, bye-bye soggy towels, hello dry and happy gear. Available in 23L, 70L, and 1 in 70L sizes, like Goldilocks, but for bags. Heavy-duty design handles everything from sandy flip-flops to camping gear chaos. Reinforced handles? These straps laugh in the face of heavy grocery hauls. Collapsible and lightweight because no one likes wrestling with bulky storage. D-rings? Perfect for clipping keys or pretending you're a tactical genius. Mesh panels for visibility. Find your sunscreen without playing bag detective. Perfect for boats, beaches, and beyond. This tote is adventure ready. Stay organized, stay dry, and look cool doing it with the CASSI Tote. Get yours today. Your gear deserves a better home than under your seat. Customer reviews 4.7 out of 5 stars, no one. Great bag. Unpopular opinion, but think I may have to bench my bog bag after purchasing and using this one in our recent beach trip. Fits all the things, easy to carry and washes and dries easily. Highly recommend. 2, I'm constantly on the hunt for the perfect pool bag that's big enough to fit towels, kids' toys, snacks, and all of the other stuff needed. This is it. So big and roomy without being bulky. 3, used for our beach trip and love that we can fit everything in it. It's huge and just what we were looking for. Worth the price since it's durable and good quality. Also like the cream color 4. Really love this bag. The size fits several beach towels, changes of clothes, snacks, shoes, etc. It's very easy to shake the sands out and hose off to clean. The shoulder straps are also very durable. I toss my bog bag and reach for this instead.